A big hello to all our food lovers. We are back after a long time with another lip-smacking and delicious recipe. The coconut prawn curry recipe. A rich and creamy curry that's sure to bring your taste buds alive. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So to a pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splutter, add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions and cook until they turn a lovely golden brown color. Add a little salt at this stage. This will allow the onions to sweat and cook faster. Once the onions have turned golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And now we are adding in the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix thoroughly and add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. The chilli powder can be adjusted as per your spice tolerance. At this stage, we are also going to check for salt and adjust as per our taste. Cover and cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally till you see the oil separating at the edges. Now once the gravy has cooked thoroughly, we are adding in half kg of prawns. Mix the prawns well and make sure that they are well coated in the gravy and cook on medium to low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. As the prawns cook, they will start generating a lot of water. Now we are adding in coconut milk. So we've added a total of 250 ml of fresh coconut milk. Mix well, cover and cook on low heat for 12 to 14 minutes. And dear friends, our delicious creamy coconut prawn curry is ready to be served. Serve hot with a steaming bowl of rice. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to our channel. See you in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe.